Hello everyone, welcome to 101 series of email marketing. Our today's topic is what is importance of email marketing? As other digital marketing strategies have evolved, a question that keeps coming up is email marketing still important? In short, yes, creating a strong email marketing strategy helps you reach and connect with your target audience in a personalized way and increase sales at an affordable cost, just as other platforms and media have changed. Email marketing tools give your business the ability to reach customers easier than ever. Here are my top 9 reasons on the importance of email marketing and how they can help your business. Number 1 is stay in contact with your audience. Emails have the ability to keep your customers informed. Consumers are capable of checking their email when it is convenient for them. It can give them a feeling that you are thinking of them. This email can be as simple as saying, "Hi, you are on our mind. Here is a special offer," or "Here is an update on what has been going on here in recent weeks." Those that have signed up to your email list have already made a commitment to receive these notes. So they will likely enjoy these emails as long as you give them something worth reading, and it will boost engagement with your customers. Number 2 is reach customers in real time. According to Litmus, 54% of all emails were opened on a mobile device. This is significant and should come into play when planning any marketing strategy. More and more consumers are using their mobile devices to access not only emails but all other types of media and information. Not only that, well designed emails produce higher conversation rates on mobile than any other medium. Hit and on the go. So next one is people engage with emails. For a long time now, over 40 years, actually email has been a form of communication. As the years have been gone by, email has fast become one of our main choices of communication. We have all been groomed to reply to an email in some fashion, whether it is to reply, to forward, click through to something else, emptied with the email, delete, or to buy with the email. Knowing this, you can use email to drive people to your website, to pick up the phone and call, or any other call to action. In fact, over 25% of sales last year were attributed to email marketing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be right back very soon with another informative video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.